Hi friends, welcome to Oracle Tutorials. In this video, we are going to see the character manipulation function replace. Here we can understand the use of this function replace from its name itself. Yes, a replace function replaces characters in a string with another set of characters. Before coming to our example, we will see the syntax for this function replace. Replace of string to replace, then we have an optional parameter, that is a replacement string. I think no need to explain all these parameters because it is well known from its name itself. Now we will see some examples using this function replace in our Oracle Express application. Here is our query. Select replace of. Here we will give SQL tutorials, and here we will give SQL from Duel. We will run this query, and here we can see the result. In this query we can see we given this string SQL tutorials, and we given a string to replace as SQL, and here we did not specify the optional parameter, that is a replacement string. So here one thing we have to keep in mind, if the replacement string parameter is not mentioned, the replace function simply removes all occurrences of string to replace and returns the resulting string. Hence this SQL is removed from this string, and here we get the result as tutorials. We will see some more examples. Select replace of SQL tutorials. We will replace this SQL with Oracle from Duel. We will run this query, and here we can see the result. Here we want to replace this characters SQL from this string SQL tutorials with this characters Oracle. We will see some more examples. Select replace of. Here we will give 456 tutorial, comma 456 from Duel. We will run this query, and here we can see the result. We will try another possibility with this replace function. Select replace of. We'll give 456 tutorial, comma, we will give only 456 from Duel, and here we can see the result. Here is another example. Select replace of. We'll give 456 tutorial 456, comma 456 from Duel, and here we can see the result. Finally, we will see an example using our existing table employees. Here we can see our table employees. Select star from employees. Here we can see the table. Now we will create a query using this table employees with a function or replace. Select, we will give a emp name, comma, then the function or replace of emp name. Then we want to replace JACK with the characters ANN. From table name is employees, and we will run this query, and here we can see the result. Here we can see the emp name Jackson. Here the characters JACK is replaced with the characters ANN. So we got this name now. Right, so in this video we have seen the character manipulation function replace. So my dear friends, if you have any doubt, any suggestions, please comment below. Consider sharing and subscribing, and we will meet again with the next video. Thank you.